And all of this stuff is decided to crumple in an accident, which it has. Now I should be fitting this part of the chassis back into place for the final time, bolting in them flow screws and putting in the last couple of rivets, which will hold this piece to the rest of the car. Before you know it, it's all in place. Okay, now we're on and we're working. We've done the strength test. We've got to make it paint. Does that make sense?
No.
We've got to make it the same colour. Because when we make it the same colour, it'll almost be like it never happened. But our first step to do that is to sand it